So there's a danger right now, guys, when it comes to this Barber stock, and I'm doing this video for you because I'm seeing a lot of people now starting to talk about Barber, and they're like, Barber, here we go, Barber's breaking up, and Barber has just gone a very big vertical move, right? So there's two things in the market I want you to understand. Firstly, how an actual bull market, what is a bull market? A bull market is higher lows, right? We go up, we come down. We go up, we come down, right? We go up, we come down, up, higher lows all the way up, okay? So this is a very big bull market. Now, if the market doesn't do that, and then we start to do something like this, right? And we do something like this, and the market just does something like that, just goes straight up without getting the higher lows, now we're getting into what? Now we're getting into bubble territory, right? And I know some of you guys right now are looking at Barber and thinking that this thing's going to the moon, you better get in, and there's a FOMO, right? Because like, look at Barber, here we go, Barber. I promise you guys, there's going to come a point in time when we start to see this thing start to have a very sharp and hard pullback, because we have just gone completely massive vertical. And how we know it's gone completely massive vertical and we've done too much movement and it now needs to come back to equilibrium is if you bring up your charts, look what happens every time. What happens with this 52 moving average? Notice how the market comes back to it, right? So we are now here. What we're experiencing right now, we are now the most oversold that it has ever been. Oh, maybe there's actually one back here, right? But as you can see, when we get too far away from the actual moving average, what ends up happening? We end up going through what? One of these periods, and those periods there is what? Is about a month of doing nothing and waiting for the moving average to catch up. So this is not just going to go straight up. Remember, a very big, if you're very bullish on Barber, yes, we've had a very big move, but you're going to, if this is going to start into a very big bull market, remember, a bull market is what? It goes up, it'll come down to create the high low, and then we go up and come down. So right now, we are getting into short-term bubble territory, and I wouldn't be too surprised to see this thing very, very soon have a very big sharp drop to the downside to at least come back down to up, maybe down to around about this level here, and then maybe continue up from there. So be cautious about this stock.